Hi, welcome to Dave's Travel, and we're doing another review of another watch. We've done reviews on the Apple 9 watch. We've also done it on the Redmi Xiaomi Watch 4, and this time we have another one. This is called a ZEBLAZE. Here you go, ZEBLAZE GR3 Pro, and I got this just as an extra one. It's been sitting around for 2 years. I haven't even opened it. My band on my other watch just snapped, so it's time to unbox this one and take a look. So let's open this up and take a look what's inside. The only thing that this doesn't have is independent GPS. Otherwise, I think this is great. This watch is only, believe it or not, 30 bucks Canadian, or 35 bucks Canadian, and it's like 20 something US, and it even has Gorilla Glass on it, and it does have a beautiful screen. You see the watch there. You can pop it out, and let's see what it is. And what you get is, this is aluminum, solid piece of aluminum. It's not plastic. You have a chrome version, and let's see what else is in the box. In the box, this is a silver chrome here, and in the box what we also have is a USB charger, and I guess it's a magnet that goes right on the back of it. And let's see, let's take a look at the band. I got the white one since all my other watches are actually black, so I thought it'd be a little bit different. Actually, it's gray. So this is the band here, and this is how we're going to look at it. So I think what we have to do first of all, as it's been sitting around upstairs for a few years and God knows how long, is probably charge this. So let's get this charged up. We'll put the band on there, and then we're going to charge it up first. So catch you later. And we have put the band on. It's just a simple, typical watch band. And you just squeeze it in, and we have plugged it in through the back. It's magnetic through USB, and it just comes with wire and no charger. And here we can see that right now it's being charged. So we'll let it charge for a bit before we take a look at the features. Okay, to set up the watch, first thing you do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download this app called Fit Cloud Pro. And this is how it looks like, Fit Class Pro. When you download it, and then you just connect, you can connect the watch. You'll have things, raise to wake up, weather report, and find my watch. And you can also go look at things like your profile. You will have all these apps running in the back. Okay, here we are looking at the watch again. Let me turn it on. There it is, beautiful display. You can swipe this way and you will see all the icons here, sort of like an Apple Watch. We will continue looking at the app page, and there you can see the systems. There you got things like your workouts. There's various types of workouts you can check in. You got hiking, cycling, biking, badminton. So this is how it would work. Of course, like if you press there, it is not hooked up to GPS. So it's just based on, it can use your GPS of the phone. But if it's not using it, then it's just based on steps if you're hiking or if you're doing any other sports. So it's not the most accurate way, but for 25 bucks, what do you expect? Okay, we go back here. We have other things. Blood pressure. So you could even do your blood
blood pressure here. I don't know how accurate. Last time I tried, it was 120/75. Sounds like a good reading, but the accuracy, I'm not sure. So let's go back.
Look at that. That's amazing. So it's pretty loud. You can control the volume, but it does not display the name of the song. Okay, and then you can add more things there. There's a few more things you can add, icons. But if you just want all the other things, you can just go swipe this way, and you can see everything there, whether it's your contacts, music, your settings, phone call. You just let's try that. Settings. Okay, menu style. Going back to number 2, to call. Just dial here. Swipe back.
Breathing training, stopwatch, lots of things. Alarm clock, business cards, set time, find phone. You have a calendar here, and the camera. You can take pictures using your camera, and settings here. Let's see what's on the settings. It's just your menu style as I described before. I like the scroll one, the display, which actually shows the watch faces here, the brightness, screen time, whether or not you want the phone to wake up, like display when it's your arm is tilted, and then you can have all day clock, but of course that would eat into your battery. What else do you have here? Vibrations, rings, if you wanted to have a ring or a vibration. QR code, this is when you set up the phone initially. All you have to do is look at this QR code here and link it to the camera app on your phone, and it will set up the app for you. And then the systems file is just your systems information, startup and system reset. Okay, so it's pretty simple to use. It has all the basic stuff for a phone, for a watch that, especially for 25 bucks. The key is look at the screen. It is so sharp and bright. Battery life will probably be, I don't know, probably 5 to maybe a week, I'd say, with everything reading. But time will tell. It's probably not as great as my Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4, but it was probably 3-4 times the price, that one. And of course the Apple Watches are probably 10 times or 12 times the price of this. So if you want a basic watch with basic functions of notifications, I think this is the one for you. And at $25 US, it is a great steal. And you can change the bands. I also ordered a black one, and I got this white one. This is all metal construction, the side with the bezel, and that's how it looks. Okay, remember to like and to subscribe, and I hope this was informative. If you're looking for a budget watch with notifications and lots of functions, this is it. If GPS is not a big thing, then this should not be a deal breaker. If you want GPS, then I'd pay probably a little bit more and get a watch. It's probably only another 20 bucks to get a watch with GPS. In terms of the medical stuff, I would not rely on the heart rate so much, blood pressure and oxygen sensors, but it's okay for a guide. Okay, ciao.